Okay, so here we go. For all the fellas who want to know the difference in the speed between the speedometer and one's GPS, or between one's speedometer and the GPS. So let's get a read on that. The GPS takes a while to follow, so don't be too quick to judge. I'm always amazed and surprised at how good the Himalayan speedometer is. So I'm doing about, or let's just push it to 100 k's and check the difference out. So that's an indicated 91 and I have 90 reading on the GPS. Let's push it to 100. An indicated 100 and the speedometer, I'm right at 100 now, and the difference is barely 1.5–2 kilometers. That should be 100. Oh god, there we go again. So hard to nail it down to the exact same speed, but then that's 100. And the GPS shows a 98, 99. That's amazing, isn't it? Push it to 120. A 110 is 109. Not bad, huh? Not bad for an old school speedometer like this. That should be about 115 on the speedometer, 114 on 113, 114, and there you go. 115 on the speedometer and 114 on the GPS. Not bad, huh? Not bad. Not bad at all. So this was a big surprise to me when I had gotten the bike initially. I never thought that the speedometer and the GPS speeds would be anywhere in the same ballpark. And man, this came as a huge surprise. It's because the difference was barely 1 or 2 kilometers, and that's crazy. That's literally crazy that this bike and this old school speedometer is so well calibrated to the actual speed, the real speed that one's doing. So the best part is that you got a bike where, you know, even though it's old school design and old school tech, there's a bunch of new school, new age goodies. One such thing is the speedometer. So that's just it, guys. A quick test of the difference in speed, and that will be it for this time. So I hope you liked the video. Leave a big thumbs up if you did, and kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. There's truckloads of videos coming your way. See you on another one. This is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.